are saying that news has come out to be boring for them. It's depressing for them. Like, you in one corner we are seeing that India's economy should increase. People out from US telling India's economy to be a dead economy. And we are, instead of supporting our country, instead of supporting our ministers, we are telling the news has come out to be boring. How can you compare with China? Then how can you compare with China? Like, people out there, the youth are so much into new technologies, and they are developing new technologies, and we are avoiding news. We don't want to hear what is happening in our country. We are feeling it's depressing. Now, this, I'm not saying this is the statistics, it is a study by Oxford University. Out in 2017, 29% of the people avoided news. And out in 2024, 39% of people avoided news. Like, they don't want to see news. And interested people, like how many of them were interested in watching news, was 46% in 2024, and in 2017 it was 63%. It's declining. Like, literally it's declining. So if news has come out to be depressing for people, then it's the reflection of the world. It's reflection of our country. Where will the expansion go if news has become to be depressing for people? It's a point to think. And people who just doesn't want to pay on subscription, people say will not pay on subscription, is nearly 55%. And only 17% of people wants to see news, and they want to pay on subscription platform. Indian media is not a money spinner. But see the statistics. So it's like, I couldn't connect with it, and I couldn't understand what's happening. So please try to support our country, try to support our nation. And I think instead of watching reels and dancing videos on the other platforms, like Instagram and all, I think little bit we can just make ourselves aware of what is happening in the country, so that we can do something from our end, so that no one from other like nation can come and say our economy to be a red economy. And it's not a point to just match with China when our own youth is thinking in this manner. I think youth will also come, because we can't make an 81-year-old president to be interesting. How can we make an 81-year-old president to be interesting?